I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the appeal status and the exact deadline timestamp. Do this now so you know what you missed. Then gather concrete proof: original video file, video ID, upload timestamps, relevant screenshots, and any messages from TikTok. Once done, draft a short, clear explanation that ties your content to TikTok's policy language. Explain how the video conforms and why removal was incorrect. Keep it factual and organized. You'll reuse these materials in every next step. You now submit an extended appeal using every available channel: in-app support, the Help Center form, and the designated email address. Send the same package to each. Attach your evidence files and paste your concise policy rebuttal. Explain why the video meets specific rules. Once sent, request a manual review and include any previous case numbers to link records. Make sure to use a polite, factual tone. Staff respond better to clarity and structure than to emotion. You finish by actively following up. Monitor responses and set reminders to check every 3 to 5 days. Reply quickly if they ask for details. If your appeal is denied, request a specific clarification of the policy point and escalate to live support or moderation channels. Once you have guidance, either re-edit and reupload or pursue further escalation. Troubleshooting tip: if communication stalls, take a screenshot of all messages, timestamp them, and resend the full packet to a different channel to force fresh review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.